the parking elevator, or the entrance elevator from the parking structure. That's what.
Oh, this one's there, this indicator. Dome matrix. Wait, what?
I swear this thing opened in the room with that.
There's some cart escalator or elevators.
The store literally closes in like 10 minutes. So we are literally the last people to ride these.
I think we're gonna have to give up after this one. Yeah, I think it's time to go. I'm not even gonna get photos. Indicators in the back. Oh, and in the back. This one's elevator 5. These all look pretty much the same.
Oh my god.